For the repair of the Vacon Inverter, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we added a power supply to the inverter and a spare motor. Batting the power supply, it reacts, and after a while, we can see the motor movement with help of the inverter, and the actuator is moving accordingly.
Αυτό άλλο.
No threaded testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that the inverter is operating successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.